In this video, we'll explore one of the core capabilities of the Alation Data Intelligence Platform, how every user can find, understand, and crucially, trust the information that they find. Within Alation, Trust Flags, represented as coloured icons against data assets, are the primary way that trust is communicated to everyday users. Represented as either endorsements with a green tick, important information with a blue circle, or deprecations with a red stoplight, Trust Flags warn other users about potential issues, recommendations, or critical concerns with data sources or other assets. We can search through the catalogue to see the current state of trust across our data sources, BI reports, filters, joins, or queries. Let's use our faceted search capability and select the Flags drop-down before filtering the data only to show endorsements. We can view these results in List View or switch over to Table View for a more detailed picture. Let's also show the maximum number of rows in this table, and we can clearly see endorsements present for data sources, tables, schemas, even columns or queries as we scroll down. We can change our filter to look at deprecations in the same way. And here, let's actually click on through to a data source at the top of the list that's been deprecated. If we also click on the red stoplight, we can see any additional text that's been added by the user, steward, or administrator that's flagged an issue. In this case, the system is no longer used. Now, if anything changes, depending on my system role within Alation, I can delete this deprecation or add additional commentary. Heading back to our search, we can also take a look at the third of our trust flags, where important information can be recorded against an asset in the catalogue. This flag often occurs alongside other trust flags to provide important context. Let's click in here on our Teradata source and then take a closer look at the important information. In this case, we can see that our Teradata database is in the process of being migrated over to Snowflake, and we're provided with a link to that new data platform as well as to documentation covering the migration plan itself. Very useful information indeed. We can apply our own trust flags to this resource using the menu to the right-hand side of the browser, selecting endorsements, information, or deprecations as needed. A simple process that adds enormous value to the overall data intelligence platform. Beyond search and discovery, trust flags play a very important role in self-service analytics, particularly when writing queries using Alation Compose. Let's drill into our craft beer financial fact table to see this in action. If we open this page in Compose, we can immediately see highlighted text in our SQL queries that will give us additional information about whether endorsements, deprecations, or other information is available. Let's hover over the table name in this basic query, and we can see both an endorsement for the table as a whole, as well as information that this table contains personally identifiable information, or PII, and must be used in compliance with the linked policy here. If we need to know more, we simply follow the link through to the policy itself. With this tight integration between trust flags and self-service, analysts quickly understand and build confidence in their work, knowing that the data they're exploring is appropriate, well-governed, and well-trusted. Within Alation, trust flags have many uses. It's common for users to endorse gold standard queries so that others can find them easily and reuse them as needed. It's common to apply the important information trust flag to datasets to highlight information that other users might not easily find elsewhere, such as missing date ranges for transactions in reporting tables, and, as we've seen, using the deprecation flag to highlight where older data sources are being decommissioned or migrated to new platforms. In this video, we've covered the important core concept of trust flags to help guide users to the best and most trusted sources of data, and we've seen their presence and usage throughout the Alation user experience. Visit alation.com to learn more about Alation, the leading data intelligence platform.